Over here. You ready? Oh!
Just call my name. Let me hear you shout. Let me know that you need me, that you can't do without. Let me see your tears filled with love. Let me know that I'm the one you're thinking of. Just call my
Okay,
name.
getting ready to, what's wrong? That's okay. There's the grill. We're going to do a little bit different video today. We normally show you our day. I guess this is technically part of our day. But I love to cook and pretty decent at it. So we're going to do a video today of just making burgers. We're going to do some avocado and pepper jack burgers and with pineapple on it. And we're going to do just regular normal cheeseburgers with some Kobe Jack cheese on there. But it's all going to be done on the grill. We're going to charcoal in here. We're going to have a little bit of smoke coming from the offset there. We'll see if they're good or not. Alright, we're getting charcoal going. Charcoal chimney starter. Got the paper stuffed in the bottom there. We are using Kingsford cherrywood charcoal. So we're about to get it lit up. Let's do that right now. There we go. We got it burning. We'll get that going. That's how I start my smokers as well. So we're going to cook with that, and we're going to start the smoker. Let it get going, and then we'll come back in a little bit, put the burgers on. Get it nice and hot.
When you let me walk out, you didn't turn me around. You didn't let me see the tears that were pouring down. How was I supposed to know?
We got the burgers on with the corn and the Dr. Pepper baked beans. We've never had those. We don't know what they are, but we're going to give them a shot. Once your burgers are on, do not touch them. 4 or 5 minutes. I would suggest closer to 4, and then flip them over. Same thing again. Don't screw with the burgers. Let them do what they're doing. If not, they're going to fall apart, and you're going to have scraping it up off your grill. That sucks. Don't screw up the burgers. Stacy decided not to make a cake this time. What we're going to do is do just an episode about her baking. And she's going to have to do red velvet cake. If not, there's going to be a lot of people mad at her. There she is. So, all of it's got to be done. But we're just going to do, just like I said, we'll do a vlog, an episode about her making her cake. And then it's going to be, then we'll make one of the people eating it. That's going to be the shortest video ever. Or you'll put it all the same in because it goes, I mean, it's a
It'll
huge
probably have
cake.
to go together.
It's a huge cake, yeah, because it's be gone in like 35 seconds.
Yeah.
Because people show up that we don't even talk to when she makes red velvet cake. No, but look, again, pretty. Don't touch it. And people say that when you're packing the meat together to form the burger patties, that you have to do it loose. That's a myth. If you do your burger patties loose, and I know why they're saying it. They're saying it because they're afraid they're going to pack it too much together. It's not going to cook right. And the people that cook well-done burgers, shame on you, it works a little bit better for them because you can get a well-done burger in like 2 minutes each side. But pack it together, that way it holds it together. It's not going to fall apart when you flip it. And you should only touch it twice anyway. But don't play with the meat. Last minute before you take them off, 30-45 seconds before, throw the cheese on. Melt, be all perfect and pretty. Throw here. You ready? Oh! Had to hit it with the camera. Well, it's gonna hit my grill. Whoa. Okay, that was too close. Leave it alone. I got food on here. Let me check on the food. Okay. It didn't scare the food. The food's still good. Oh, and also look, when you make your patties and you form them properly, they don't shrink. And you gotta have 80-20 meat too. None of that cheap bull crap. Get the good meat. You can mix stuff in. You can mix pork in it. Those are pretty good. You can mix brisket in it. But at least do the 80-20 beef.